Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1970 Pontiac Firebird. So I do love Pontiac Firebirds a lot. I think we unboxed we did unbox that in Hotwheels, and I think we did it in Tomica as well. I need to check once. Okay, so this is by Hot Wheels, and this is from their mainline series, and this was from 2023. So back then I bought it for 179, which was the MRP at that time. So let's unbox this. So when I bought this, I was really excited to see that exposed engine. So, but unfortunately, the next case started to come, and people are starting to ask, when I will be unboxing the next case, the main cars in that one. So that's the main reason I actually left out a lot of castings at that time. So here is the card art. Honestly, the card art doesn't look really that good. I mean, the background of it. The car itself looks really beautiful. So let's see how this one actually looks in person. Okay, here it is. Wow, that actually looks really beautiful. The engine block here, that looks really nice. I mean, this entire hood here, I mean, the exposed engine and everything here, the detailing on this one, it is really radical, man. Okay, so the bucket seats inside, wow, that is really, they actually knocked it out of the park with this casting. Okay, everything looks really beautiful. The purple color looks really beautiful. I mean, it does have some paint rashes here, but again, even the paint bubbling here, so that is specific to mine, so it may not be for all of you guys. So it is a beautiful casting. I mean, look at the detailing on this one. That looks really sick. And so you can see the headlight detailing here. I mean, they engraved everything, but they didn't paint anything on it. I don't know why they are doing this for muscle cars. Whatever we unboxed so far, nothing, maybe apart from the Stingray. Luckily, it had an acrylic headlight. But apart from that one, at least that one had tail light details. But the rest two, okay, including this one, the third, all these three doesn't have any of the detailing, like headlight or tail light detailing. In paint, I'm talking about. But the paint job looks really nice. It is not glittery, but it is like, it's kind of, I don't know, maybe mosaic, I can say. Maybe we can put it that way. It feels like that. But the casting feels a bit heavy. It actually feels solid, to be honest. And so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. The chassis doesn't have any detailing at all. So I can't even see a exhaust detailing on this one. I'm not sure. Wait, let me. Is the car supposed to have exhaust in the front on this one? Wait, let me check on the card once. I don't think so. Where the exhaust is supposed to be on this car? I was hoping it would be the rear end, but I'm not sure. You can see in the card here. It only has the engine block in the front, I mean, the radiator and everything, but it doesn't showcase the exhaust anywhere. Okay, fine. So the fenders looks really wide and it looks really beautiful. The body, it looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Maybe around 29 grams, 28, 29. Wow, 33. Not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. See, actually, this looks really cool. I mean, it sits too low to the ground. I mean, there was one LBWK Nissan, that older, I think 2000 Skyline GT, if I'm not wrong. So compared to that, I mean, that also looked similar to this, but this one looks way more beautiful than that one. That one was just plain, and this actually has a lot of detailing to it. Okay, let's do a roll test. Neat. It rolls actually good. It may not be the fastest one, but at least it didn't stop anywhere. I mean, it rolls really well. It even reaches the end. So I'm good with it, man. It looks really beautiful. I might replace this entire set which I'm unboxing now in somewhere here. I don't know. The color itself is really awesome. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. I'm really sad to take out points for these castings. This one, the Shelby, all these castings. But I'm taking point 0.5 out of this because right, it doesn't have any headlight or tail light deals with. Again, I really don't care about this tampos, the vinyls, the liveries and everything, but I do care about the headlight and tail lights because those are the basic things in a car. So they are not giving that. Okay, so 9.5 out of 10 for this casting, but it is a beautiful casting with a lot of detailing to it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.